Hi guys, this is another video, and on this one I'm going to show you how to make coloured names on the top of your servers, not the ones underneath the name, ones on the top and for the single player worlds where you have a coloured name as well. So on it, I already have one, it's right at the top, it's called 1.1 test for some reason. I think it's because I was doing it. So if you don't know how to make a profile, here's how to do it. So new profile, call it whatever, 1.1 YouTube. I'm not going to make it, but now you have to click none of these, no, and then you scroll down to 1.1 now and just click that. Now I'm not going to do it because I don't want to, there's no point, but you can click the button that was just there and make one. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. Now remember, this is a really old version of Minecraft, so yeah. So what you got to do is just click. Now see, look, that is the old one that I have actually made with the last video, which didn't work, but this is what it was going to look like. See, this is the sort of thing I did. Now see that's a server. That's actually my server. But obviously nothing's going to work, is it? So, unless, oh my god, really? Alright, well, doesn't matter. That's one of the names I made for that, but still I have got one underneath as well. But I'm going to show you how to make this. So you make a new world. Now, if you don't have a Mac, sorry, I have a Mac. I don't know how to do it, the Windows version, so I can't show you. But with the Mac, now there's this symbol, right? The one you use for colour codes, which is that. Now you don't use that. You use the other one that you use if you know, like, I don't really know what it's called, but for me it's Alt 6, and then it comes up with this thing. So that, yeah, if you recognise that, that's good. Now, basically, you do things like this. So colour codes. So and 1, that's basically blue. So what you do here is you Alt 6. And then, right, I want purple, so 5, and then it comes out like that, and then you can do purple. So, and it doesn't do anything, it's all, like, apart from that, it's fine, it doesn't do anything, and it doesn't get in the way, you don't have to, like, have less spaces to write either. So, I do Alt 6, now I can do a different colour, so I'm going to show you every colour there is. So, that's purple. Obviously, that's the one with the 5. Now the one with the 1 on the end, which is that one, nice blue. And now there's always this one, which is green, A. And it comes out like that, which is awesome. I really like that one, because I've always liked green for quite a long time now. So also, if you put an E down, it comes out yellow. Now, also you can, yeah, that kind of thing. But then you can do 6, that comes out orange. You can do 4, that comes out like dark red. But people always seem to do C, which is like the light red. Now there's always this one, which is D, which is like light pink. There's B, which is like light blue. Really like that one. There's 2, which is dark green. I like that one a lot as well. I like a lot of these types as well. That's 3, and then there's always 7, which is like, see the world name and stuff. Yeah, it's all like, it's not white. It's like slightly grey. It's just grey, and then 8, just darker grey, and then really not recommended. Well, is black, which is 0. Because yeah. And then there's 9, which is all really lovely. I like that colour so much. But yeah, but then there's only one font that I've found. So usually you can actually do K, which lets you do that. Now you can do multiples, which is like K and stuff. Then, and you have to, now when you do it, when you do multiples, you have to do the colour first. Then you do another one of those symbols and a K on the end to do the font. That's the only way it works. So look, and then if you do that, actually, yeah, see look, it just comes out yellow. It doesn't work. So You can kind of understand it, but not really. And then, let's see, look, usually it's things like O would work, and things like M, but no, none of it works. And then L, which would be really nice. Now, you can change them, so you can do that. You can do just like that, and it can go on for as long as you want, and it doesn't stop until you want it to. And yeah, that's about it. I don't know. So yeah, that's it. So what should I call it? I'll just call it YouTube again, because and then all you do is create the world, and then here we go. So creative, so super flat, all the stuff's gone. So yeah, just a dumb old seed. Don't actually know what that does at all, because I haven't tried it, obviously. Did that too quickly to know what that was. So yeah, the world's basically done, I think. Yeah, it's super flat. Now, look at it. See, look, it's all the old thing again, remember? If you've played Minecraft for a long time, you can't even shortcut it in, like, to get rid of it. And like, I also played like with the Aether, where you go in and out and stuff, and it gives it back to you. It's so annoying. You can't access your inventory, and I hate this menu. But actually, no, it looks quite, you know, like the old Minecraft. I like it for that reason. That it's the old gravel, which I actually hate. Now I've got to change my controls back. That's annoying. Right. Later, I have to do that. So yeah, and then when you quit, and then you have a look, it's called YouTube. But that there is a problem. Now, actually, what you have to do, I don't know why that came up with a down score on it, but now, sometimes, it didn't happen with like the testificate, or maybe it's because I did it but didn't know, but you have to put the 7 on the end so that everything else comes out grey. Now, then, it should be alright, but for some reason this one isn't working at all, and, let's see, look. It should. Oh well. Well, that's basically how you do it, guys, and I really hope this helped, so see you later.